All right, let's look at the homework 5.2, 5.3, problem number 2. All right, so we have this given definite integral, and we want to evaluate this guy. All right, so let's do that. All right, so first thing we do is we know how. So it looks like we have the value for the definite integral from 1 to 3 of e to the x. Right, so you have this guy. All right, so we can write it this way. Let's see. So if you have an integral, so we want to find from 1 to 3, and you have 3 e to the x minus 1 dx. All right, then this is going to be we can split this. So if you have a subtraction, and we can split it, so you can write it as an integral from 1 to 3, and you have a 3 e to the x dx, and a minus integral from 1 to 3 1 dx. Right? Then another thing we can do is, since you have a constant here, we can put it outside. Right? So this is going to be 3 is outside, then times integral from 1 to 3 e to the x dx minus. Right, so this guy is actually pretty easy, because if you can visualize what's going on, so you can see that this is just going to be an area under y equals 1. So here is 1, right? Then the graph is going to look like this, right? Just a straight line, horizontal line, and it just goes from 1 to 3. So here's 1, and here's 3, right? So the region is just going from here to there. That's a rectangular region. So this is the area here, right? But since this is a rectangular region, the area is 2 times 1, so area is 2 here, right? So therefore this represents the area of that region, which is 2, right? Then we have 3 times, right, this guy is given right here, so it's going to be e cubed minus e. Then you have minus 2, right? So that's the value of the definite integral, right? So let's type it in. All right, the answer was 3 times e cubed minus e minus 2, right? So let's check the answer. Alright, looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.